You're welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to color grade your video on OBS. Now from this you're seeing right here, this you're seeing here on the screen, and that is what I want to show you. I'm also going to be sharing with you 5,000 LUTs that you could use to color grade your videos on OBS. If you're just coming across the channel for the first time, remember, just smash that red subscribe button below, and without any further ado, let's dive in. Over to get into the PC and download this 5,000 plus professional affiliate that they shared on their website. So from here, just scroll down. I'm also going to drop the link in the description of this particular video. Scroll down till you get to this download full set of build here. Open your file explorer, and this is the 5,000 professional affiliate LUTs that we just downloaded. You have whichever one you fall, both for wedding, for winter, for black, for vintage, for warm, for urban, sports, Instagram, anyone at all that you want to make use of. Okay, now just go ahead and download it, extract the file, and this is what you have here on the screen. Now open your OBS software. From here, bring in your video camera, so maybe your webcam or whichever one you want to use. Just click on this add plus button here, which is the add button, and go over to video capture device and bring in your camera that you want to use on OBS. But once you've already brought in your camera that you want to use on OBS, this one here is from my phone, okay, and this is what we're going to be making use of in this video. Now go over to that camera, put your mouse there on it, right click, and then go over to filters. See the filters at the top here, so click on the filters of that particular camera. Click on this plus sign on the effect filters. See this effect filters here, click on this plus sign there down, so click on that, then go over to apply LUTs. See the apply LUTs here, click on the apply LUTs from here, then click on OK. Now you can apply multiple LUTs. Okay, this is how the video looks like without the color grading, and this is how it looks like after I've color graded it. You can see the difference between the two clips. Okay, now click on that and go over to browse here. Just go over to your download folder where you kept the LUTs file that we just downloaded, which is the 5,000 one. I'll just download it. You can download multiple of them online. Just search on Google and then you'll be able to see lots of them from here, all of them here, thousands of them here. So just select whichever one you want to use. If you want to do color correction for drama, whichever one you want to use. So let's go over to cinematic, or let's use the city one. Okay, click on open, and this is how it looks like. So you can play around with all of them. This is the one I'm making use of here. You can see how it looks like, and then if I don't apply it, this is how it looks like. See how my face is looking, and then if I apply it, this is how the whole clip looks like. So you can apply multiple of them on your video clip. Okay, and that is how you can be able to color grade your video